A devastating earthquake in Mexico has killed at least 217 people, with rescue efforts still going on. School children are among the dead. Around the world, politicians have been quick to offer their sympathy, not least Labor leader Jeremy Corbyn, whose wife hails from Mexico. He tweeted, "My thoughts are with all those affected by today's earthquake in Mexico. Pensando en todos los afectados por el terremoto en Mexico hoy in the early hours of the morning, UK time. My thoughts are with all those affected by today's earthquake in Mexico. Pensando en todos los afectados por el terremoto en Mexico hoy." Jeremy Corbyn at Jeremy Corbyn, September 19, 2017. Barack Obama may no longer be an elected politician, but he too offered a heartfelt message to those suffering, and like Corbyn, he wrote some of it in Spanish. "Thinking about our neighbors in Mexico, and all our Mexican-American friends tonight. Cuidadnos mucho y un fuerte abrazo para todos," he tweeted. But what about the men now installed in the White House? Donald Trump, the wall-building-chief, was not idle on Tuesday night. In fact, he shared a message to the world via Twitter an hour after Obama. He too was saddened by what he had heard on Tuesday evening, news that he dubbed the worst ever. "Yes, that's right. The Emmys viewing figures. I was saddened to see how bad the ratings were on the Emmys last night, the worst ever," he tweeted. "Smartest people of them all are the deplorables. Oh my. pic.twitter.com/OMLPIMGXVKY6 Kirsty McCrum at Kirsty M. Crum, September 20, 2017. No doubt Mexican President Enrique Pena Nieto will get round to offering the United States his commiserations soon.